Hello guys, so me and my sister here, we're making slime and we're going to show you how to make slime. So yeah, just make sure to subscribe and comment more slimes we should do. So we're back now and she's going to show you how to do slime and like what ingredients
I'm gonna put the bowl aside. So this is Elmer's glue. It's really good. I recommend it. It's PVA school glue. Then we have this glue from Tesco, PVA again. The glues that to make slime, they have to be PVA glue. Okay. This was €1.50 from Deals. The other two, the one from Tesco was €3, and the other one from Elmer's was €5. Then we have this clear glue. Then we have this glitter glue. Then we have some shaving cream. This is, I recommend it. It's the best. No? Then we have like a container.
to make slime in.
No, to put slime in. Then we have this coloring wingy. That's white. Then we have this. Then we have more colors to color it, like
Paint it.
paint it. So these are all of the colors. They're very nice. Yeah. Okay. Now let's start. Let's start now doing the slime. So we're back. So now I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, and I put activator in this one and mix this one. Okay, so first I'm gonna put some Elmer's glue. Okay, that should be enough. So now I'm gonna add all of the glues because I want to make a big slime. So yeah. The Elmer's glue is very white, but this one from Tesco, it's kind of clear. That I like it a lot. Okay, then we have this one. You can add how much glue you want, but like I'm making a big slime, so that's why. Just it has this black thing that I hate. Okay. Okay, so the Elmer's glue and this glue are actually very white, but the other one is a bit clear. It's very nice though. Okay, so now we're gonna add this glue as well. It's kind of hard. Okay, there we go, a blob. Okay, I'm gonna add this sparkling glue. I'm actually gonna add like some of all of kind of the glues that I showed you guys. Okay. Now I activate it. So now I'm gonna put some shaving cream, or should I put it at the end? I'll put it at the end. I'll put the shaving cream at the end. Okay, I'll activate it now, so I'll be back to it the time to activate it. So now I activated it. I have to mix it now in. It's kind of full because like all of my slimes. I'll be back when it's all mixed. No, okay, so now I'm mixing it with my hand because it's much better and you'll know the consistency. when you can, like, you know. Now you have to mix it with your hands. So right now we're back. I'm just putting all of the ingredients back. Sorry if you can't really see me. So now I'm gonna put shaving cream. I'm gonna shake it. That's how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Gonna make it very fluffy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I added the shaving cream. This is mine, and my cousin is gonna make one. So it's very glossy and it's fluffy. So yep,